Guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So guys, very important update here on Shiba Inu, trading here on Binance, and we of course choose here the currency US dollar. I have to give you here an update because we trading here at a very significant price level where we could see a breakout here to the upside, same like we had right now for XRP. We had a bounce here back from the trend channel where I said this is the make it or break it trend channel for a squeeze. You can also see that video here if you want, but now we talk about Shiba Inu. For the beginning guys, I caught a cold a little bit, so I tried to talk a little bit more quiet and try to make this video here still as comfortable as possible for you. Everything what I say here is of course not financial advice guys. This is here my opinion based on the chart. So guys, what do I mean with a significant price level here for Shiba Inu? When we enable the drawings, nothing changed here if you already seen my previous videos, but we have here something like a make it or break it price level, and this is this fat red line here in the chart. 29.50 guys is the price level where usually we see here a short squeeze or a squeeze to happen for Shiba Inu or not. And what we can see in the past, the last breakout attempt which we had was back here in March 2024. So let's dive in here a little bit. And yeah, we can see that as soon as we tried to break out here, I choose now here the weekly chart. So one candle is the price action of 1 week. You can see how we just pierced those price level here, even squeezed out of this trend channel pattern, but then immediately the bear stepped in and tried to close the price below 29.50. Then we had here something like a fight between the bulls and bears. The bulls want to break out again. The bears stepped in. Then the bears took over, and we had one final retest here with this candle. And the bear said, no, guys, this is our maximum here. And then that was the beginning here of the sell-off for Shiba Inu. And this is the situation which we have right now, guys. Now it's already December, and we have again last week here our breakout attempt. And today we even started to trade higher than 29.50. We already start to trade here at 32.62. And you can see, or at least the price has been traded here at 32.62. And now the bears step in again and try to bring the price below 29.50. So this is why I have to do that update here. I want to do that update here because we could see here the same now like we saw for XRP, that we find support here on this price level, that the bulls stepping in. You can see that here we need a lot of volume here. That is also what we need for Shiba Inu. So let's enable the drawings here, the indicators. And you can see we have some volume here, but as soon as we touch this price level here, we see this really big red candle here in the chart, the volume candle. That means the resistance here is still very, very strong. That means we need a lot of bull power, a lot of buying power here to break this price level, and then we can finally see here a squeeze for Shiba Inu, same like Bitcoin already had and same like XRP is just doing right now. So what are the price levels to the upside, guys, if we can successfully break out? There is one small resistance waiting in the chart here at 34.85. This orange line here is one small resistance which we still have, not a big resistance, but I think as soon as we find support here, or if we can break 29.15 with volume, we need here something like a bigger volume candle here. Sorry guys, that was not intentional. Here we need something like this here, a very, very big green candle here. This something like this. This is what I want to see to break this price level here. Otherwise the short sellers will be too strong. The overall setup which we have in the chart looks for me very, very in favor here for a squeeze, because we're trading here in a big trend channel pattern, which is the bottom is here, guys, and the top is here. So usually when we start to squeeze out of this make it or break it line over 29.50, that means the next price goal is at least waiting here at 41.55, 42, guys. This is here what I expect to happen for Shiba Inu. I usually talk here about short squeeze stocks. If you also want to trade short squeeze stocks, guys, or if you're also into stock trading, then I can just recommend to check out here my finest selection of short squeeze stocks, which I present every Sunday. I call them the hot stocks. In my opinion, guys, this is my personal opinion, stocks, I don't say they are more easy to trade than cryptocurrencies, but they have more potential. They have more events in the background, which makes it very predictable to see a squeeze. I mean, if you understand the chart structure of any cryptocurrency, you can trade them in the same way like stocks, but stocks have some different kind of potential, which I really do like, and that's why I release every Sunday here my finest selection of short squeeze stocks. So the brand new video is out right now, and when you see those videos, that means I expect those tickers here to squeeze in the very few next days. You can see here some of the member feedbacks which I already had here in the past, guys. Yeah, and last week I released a video with 3 tickers and 2 of them squeezed more than 100%. This ticker here squeezed 1 day after my video release here 109%. It was even a little bit more, around 120%. And the second one just squeezed, video release was here on Sunday. This ticker squeezed then on Wednesday more than 240% in 1 day, guys. Yeah, so this is a daily chart here. That's why I say it is possible to predict short squeezes. And if you're also interested here in stock trading, then I can just recommend here to join our trading community. The most popular membership which I have is the full package membership here on Patreon. You can see all the member benefits here, guys. And when you click here the info icon in the corner, then you get access to the Patreon member link. It doesn't matter if you are crypto or stock trader, beginner or advanced trader, everybody is welcome, guys, here, and we're growing every day new members joining in. Yo guys, the game plan for Shiba Inu. I personally would not buy in right now. So while I'm recording this video, you can see how the market makers stepping already in. I think, to be very honest with you, I think the breakout chance is very high right now. Why? Because every time when we start to test this trend level here, this trend or this trend line here from 2950, we saw a breakout. That doesn't mean that this is lasting long, but every time when we had the attempt to break out, we could manage it to break out over this price level. And I think for now, like, the market is very stable right now and very bullish, there is a very good chance to see a breakout. But I would be careful as soon as we touch here 4180 or 42 here, this price range here. That could be the beginning of a sell-off, same like we had this year in March 2024, guys. So the bull case is that we even managed to squeeze over this price level here, and then you can see this big fat yellow arrow, because that would mean we have here the chance to see much higher price levels. In my opinion, 53.64 and even 67.92, and in best case 82.20, guys, are the short squeeze price levels here for Shiba Inu. Be careful, that is a short squeeze which is not lasting long. We had one breakout attempt here in 2021, came back very strong. The second one was, as I said here, March 2024, with the same kind of rejection here. So be very careful for that. Don't FOMO in when we see here huge squeezes. That is of course very good for everybody who bought in here at the bottom of this trend channel, because what we also know is that every time when Shiba Inu hits this bottom trend channel pattern here, we have a very strong support, even with some kind of squeeze reactions. And the only time that we left this trend channel here for a period of time was here back in May 2023. That was a fake out here. You can see how we retested the trend channel. The market makers faked out the price, and that's the reason why you see some significant short squeezes happen afterwards like that. Okay guys, that was my update here on Shiba Inu. If you want to copy the price levels here, everything what you see is based on TradingView. As I said, 2950 is one of the significant price ranges right now. Then 42, guys, 4200 is here one of the price calls which I expect. And if we can squeeze out of this trend channel, I think at least 53.64 is one of the next price levels here for Shiba Inu. So everything what you see here is based on TradingView. This is the chart program that I use for all my videos and all my trades, guys. And we have here right now Cyber Monday discount. You get here 70% discount and 1 month for free if you buy this right now, guys. I have here a link in the info icon. When you click the info icon here, you get access to the special Cyber Monday 70% discount link. This is a huge chance and just once a year, so I would take that opportunity right now. I'm not sponsored by TradingView, but I can highly recommend that program if you want to understand trading, if you want to see how the algos works. There is no way around that. You get here a good chart program, guys. Yo guys, that's it. That was my update on Shiba Inu. If you like this content here, if you don't want to miss any updates, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I thank you so much for your time. Thank you for your support, and see you in the next video. Arigatou gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.